Machine learning in 2 minutes. What is machine learning? At its core, it's teaching computers to learn from data, not by following explicit instructions, but by identifying patterns and improving with experience. Think of it like this. You feed a model lots of examples, and it discovers the rules that connect inputs to outputs. The more high-quality data you provide, the smarter the model becomes. During training, the model makes predictions and compares them to the true answers. It adjusts its internal parameters to reduce error, a process we call optimization. The result is a model that generalizes to new, unseen data. How is this different from classic programming? Instead of writing every rule, you craft a learning objective and let the model infer the rules from data. Machine learning powers many everyday tools, recognizing objects in photos, understanding sentiment in text, or suggesting videos you might like. A practical ML workflow looks like this. Collect data, clean and pre-process it, train a model, evaluate its performance, and deploy it for real tasks. Important caveats. Models are only as good as their data. Bias, privacy, and transparency matter. Always validate with diverse data and monitor outputs in production. Keen to learn more? Start with a small dataset, try a beginner-friendly tutorial, and experiment with off-the-shelf tools to see ML in action. Learn, iterate, build.